Currently in the Turbine Hall of the Tate Modern is an exhibition Open Wound by Mire Lee. As you enter the building and going down the slope, you are faced with lots of skins hanging from the ceiling. As you go further into the building, you are faced with a large turbine hanging from the ceiling. This coats the skins with a viscous liquid via tentacles hanging from it. The skins are then dried and hung from the ceiling. In this work, Lee tries to reflect on the building's previous life as a power station. If you enjoyed this, then please hit the like button below, and why not subscribe, as new content is put up regularly.